Hey, how you doing? Welcome back. And in today's episode, let's go over what's all in a white peach refresher. Now here at Brew Krew Coffee, we've decided to stick with silk when it comes to our plant-based alternative milks. And that's really just because the quality and the flavor delivery that it brings by being a plant-based alternative is really just undeniable. Now we use silk coconut milk for all of our refreshers, and it's really just because we want every drink that we create for you guys to really just be top tier of its class. And for me, that's really why we align so well with what silk brings to the community, is by offering a certain taste palette to you guys that really can't be touched. And I mean, it certainly lives up to its quality by being delicious in every drink that we make. Now let's just dive into this drink, because this one is just undeniably delicious. We're going to be doing our house-made lemonade, peach monin syrup. We really don't use monin too often, but I like it. And then we're going to do Torani white chocolate sauce and our silk coconut milk. Give it a good shake in a shaker, pour back into your 24-ounce cup, and then voila. Like, this is a refresher, and it's so refreshing. This is definitely a good one that I think that you guys can all try at home, and it's easy to make. Let me know what you guys think when you taste it.